tortang talong with a twist. Yan, yung itlog, may paminta, at asin, at yung ating onion dips. Yan, with minced pork. Mamaya pa yung talong. Iniihaw ko sa loob ng oven. Luto na yung ating talong. Pwede na natin ihalo sa ating mixture. Yan. Ihalo natin doon. Balatan muna natin. Okay. Pwede natin slice ng strip. Yan. Ilahalo sa ating egg butter. Yan, pwede na natin iprito ang ating tortang talong with a twist. Yan, pwede na tayo magprito. Lutuin lang natin ng golden brown. Yan. Yan, golden brown. Golden brown ng ating fried tortang talong with a twist. With minced pork. Yung ating tortang talong with minced pork. Yan, kakain na tayo. Enjoy eating. Thanks again guys for watching my channel. See you next time. Din tayo ng kangkong with this sauce, scallop abalone sauce. Yan. With minced garlic. Yan. Abalone sauce. Yan. No need to put salt kasi may lasa na ito. Abalone scallop sauce. And mix it. Yan, luto na. Stir-fried kangkong o water spinach. Yan. With abalone and scallop sauce. Yan.